Oh, you sing Dumpy, Dumpy, baby.
Ha.
Yay! O di baby finger. Oh, you sing baby finger na. Ay, let's do the animal sounds, okay? What does the snake sounds? How about the monkey? How about the lion? How about the fox? Fox. No, a fox. Awoo! You know that, diba? How about the cat? How about the dog? How about the cat? How about the cow? How about the sheep? How about the horse? How about the cow? How about the owl? How about the elephant? How about the frog? How about the bird? How about the tiger? How about the wolf? How about the fox? How about the bee? How about the fire truck? How about the ambulance? Okay, can you touch your nose? Nose, where's your nose? Touch your nose. No, touch your nose. Nose. Touch your neck. Where's your neck? Neck. Where's my chin? Where's my nose? Where's my eyes? Where's daddy's eyes? Touch daddy's eyes. Okay. Can you touch your eyes? How about your nose? Can you touch your nose? Head, nose. Touch your nose. Neck. Oh. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Where's your chin? Chin.